Beautiful, beautiful day. There's a mini golf downstairs. And then, nandito yung pool. And that's the view for this bedroom. The view while waiting for the lift. Nagtrabaho mga madi. Nya ang elevator dugay kaayo. Mag-video sa tadari. Bit windy today. It's a bit windy, but it's still a beautiful day. Walang naliligo. Ay, merong nag-ano siya, nag-jacuzzi. Yun. Ayan. Nagmamask ako kasi dumudugo yung ilong ko pag walang mask.